Alright, yesterday I signed up to a Spanish school here in Sucre just for 4 days. So I'm going to walk to that school right now and show you the city in the meanwhile. Okay, this is the main square of Sucre and it has so many beautiful buildings around it. It's absolutely amazing, all from the 17th or 16th century. Okay, we started going up to the school and this is the last stretch. Okay, so finally I'm here at the school. This is one of the classrooms where I study. It's 1-to-1, so we have a lot of space for just 2 people. Only 45 Bolivianos per hour, which is like $7 US. It's very cheap. One of the coolest things I've learned that in Sucre you can buy fresh empanadas made in a convent by nuns, and the way you buy it is really, really funny. Have a look. Okay. Okay, lista.
Gracias.
Gracias, chao. Okay, so the whole point is that you can't see the nuns when they're selling it, so that's why they use that interesting method. But in the end they give out these amazing empanadas and they're still hot and burning right now, so I'm super looking forward to eating this now. Wow, it's super delicious. It has olives, eggs, some potatoes and something else. It's super delicious. They have these zebra guides. They basically take you across the street if you need it. Okay, and this is the central market of Sucre and lots going on. I'm gonna go in and see what are they selling. Get myself a juice of passion fruit here in the market. It looks great and it's only $1, so can't go wrong, right? It's nice. It has water and I asked not to put any sugar, so it's not very sweet, but it has that fresh feel about it. Really nice for the palate, especially after the empanada I just had. Alright, this morning we took a bus to La Glorieta castle, which is a residence of a very rich family here in Sucre from 19th century. They told us the design of the castle is really, really beautiful, so we're going to go and check it out. The great thing is you can take a bus just like that for 1.5 Bolivianos, which is, I think it's 20 cents. Hey guys, we're at the Cafe Mirador, which is one of my favorite places here in Sucre, and you get an amazing view of the whole city The coffees and food are massive, and I mean it's not super cheap, but it's okay, like by European standards. So really recommend this place. It's beautiful. Hey guys, we came to the museum of Casa de la Libertad, where they explain how Bolivia became independent, and obviously the guide was actually quite amazing, and she told us everything about the War of Independence in South America. And in Bolivia, it's quite interesting because they have paintings of all the presidents in this room, and they're basically all Caucasian except one, which is Evo Morales from early 2000s, I think 2003 or 4, I can't remember. But yeah, even though the indigenous population is like 70% of Bolivia. It's so amazing they kept the original copies of the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution from the 1825. And you can actually see it here, so cool.